In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. Whether you're keeping track of expenses, analyzing data, or simply managing some numbers, knowing how to add up a column is a helpful skill. Let's make this super easy for you to follow along. First, you'll need to log into your Notion account. This is typically done by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. If you haven't already, enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Having your Notion dashboard at your fingertips right away will ensure you're ready to get started without any hitches. Once you're logged in, locate the specific page containing the table you'd like to work with. Click on the page to open it. This will bring you directly into the environment where your table resides and where the data is waiting for you to manipulate. Having your page front and center will let you focus on the task without getting distracted by other content. Now, look at the column you want to sum. Click on the name of this column. A menu will generally pop up showing various options for that particular column. These initial steps are paramount to set the stage for adding up your numbers properly. You'll want to select the option to edit properties. This choice is key because it lets you adjust settings specific to your column, tailoring it perfectly for the task you're aiming to accomplish, summing your numbers. Once you've clicked on Edit Properties, proceed by choosing the Number Format option. This ensures that all entries in your column are recognized and treated as numbers, which is, of course, essential for any summation activity. After ensuring that your column is set to a number format, click the name of the column again. This essentially resets the stage, preparing it for the next set of actions you're going to perform. After doing this, you'll want to look for an option labeled Calculate and click on it. This takes you into calculation mode, exposing various arithmetic options you can use. From the Calculate menu, go ahead and access more options. This is crucial as it unlocks the full array of calculations you can perform within Notion. In this extended menu, look around until you spot the sum function. Lastly, click on Sum. By doing this, Notion will immediately calculate the total of all numbers in your selected column, showing the result right there for you to see. As you can tell, the process is quite straightforward once broken down, making it a nifty tool you can now use effortlessly whenever the need arises. And there you have it. In a series of simple steps, you've mastered the art of summing columns in Notion. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with each try, this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching.